Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, if you could please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 58. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. 3 here, so 1, 7. That means our 3 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're just missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9. No help here, 3, 7, 9. And no help here, 3, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 7, 9. So that means the only place our 6 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 7. Oh, 4 and 7 here. That makes this our 9, 7, 4, and that 7 makes this our 9. Now we can get rid of these 9s. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8, but we've got a 3 here. So 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 3, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 1 and 7 means our 9 has to be here. This 7 makes this our 1, 7, 1, 7. This 9 makes this our 3, 2, 9. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.